we are looking at the Alienware. Wowzers. Very, very nice. Serious box. Go ahead and get the charger block out. This charger block is going to be massive, that's all I have to say. Let's see. 330 watt charger block. That's a big kahuna. There's your charger cord. And then nothing else, just cardboard. Alright, let's see. Like so. Wow. That was very loud. Oh, that's cool. It's magnetized and opens up like this. So this is the X16 we are looking at. This is a honking device. Woo, that's loud. Close that down. Magnet shut. Man, that's a massive ledge. That's just so much ledge. But it's cool. There's your wow, mini display port. I've not seen one of those in a long time. Charger port, mini display port, 2 USB-A, HDMI, 2 USB-C, and a micro SD card reader, and then no ports on the side. So all your ports are on the back side of the laptop. If you want to check the live pricing or make a purchase of the X16 as you're going through this video, you can head down in the description below and click the link. If you do make a purchase, I'll get a small commission, but at no extra cost to you. But of course, that's what keeps this channel alive and the helpful content coming your way, and I'm so grateful when you guys use those links. Oh man. Oh, that's cool. That RGB backlit trackpad is super cool. On the M16R2, they have it around the rim. And the M16R2, I think the trackpad's a little bit bigger. And so I'm probably going to just do like a head-to-head comparison of these two just from like a which one should you use. But this one has upward and downward facing vents. So this thing will cool super well, which is awesome. And then of course you have speakers along the bottom, vents along the side. I mean, this is a gaming beast for sure. And a creator workstation beast. What is this? Like, oh, that's interesting. Put that off before I use it, obviously. It's kind of scary. Okay. There we go. But yeah, don't love the plastic bezel. That could have been done a little more tastefully for sure. But I like this smooth, soft touch top cover. Intel Core Ultra 9. Interesting, Intel Core Ultra 9. So we're still using a ultra low power capability CPU inside of this laptop. If I'm not mistaken, this is the RTX. Wow, that keyboard. Nice, like a medium key travel, very classic gaming keyboard. Very interesting. All right, cool. We're gonna go ahead, flip this over, check out the upgrade path. Pulling off the bottom cover of the Alienware X16, you see the 90 watt-hour battery, 2 M.2 slots. You have 1 occupied, 1 unoccupied, 4 fans. 2 of them are actually going completely through the chassis, so it comes out on top of the keyboard deck and throughout the bottom cover of the laptop, but no RAM upgrade. This is an Intel Core Ultra 9 and 185H, and it is definitely something that they are trying to optimize and minimize the thickness of the laptop, even though it is such a big laptop. So they've gone ahead and swapped, not given us the option to upgrade the RAM. However, this system, I believe, comes with 32 gigs of RAM, which should be plenty for creators and gaming alike. But good upgrade path for the drives, and then you also have a micro SD card reader, so you can expand your storage there as well, which is super nice. They give you some nice flexibility here with the X16. If you want to make a purchase or check the live pricing of the X16, you can head down in the description below and click those links. Now, that's been an unboxing and a view of the upgrade path on this laptop. If you want to keep your eye out for the full dedicated review, it'll be linked up here in the YouTube cards. You can check it out, see the performance, see if it's right for you. I'll see you in the next video.